Okay.
Here. Press. Look at his spine. Look at his spine. Straight. Here. Don't press the bones. Always the spine. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Look at his spine. After you go up, these two.
Okay.
And wait until he do like that. Yes. You have to wait until he do straight. Like this, like yoga.
Okay.
Yeah. And after when he moves, is that the fascia is compromised. Yeah. So now you do like that. These two. Yeah. If you can take now, we're gonna take the clothes out, but if you can put your 2 fingers on top of mine, that no, on top of mine.
Okay.
So you can feel what I'm grabbing.
Okay.
Don't press too much.
Okay.
Look at his posture.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. I'm going there. Slow.
ça fait du bien ça. C'est bien mon chat. Qu'est-ce que ça fait du bien au dos ça?
And here is the most problem in this part.
Okay.
So you typing this and you gonna do it. Here is the worst part.
Yeah.
Because the tissue is pulling his neck
Okay.
to this side.
Okay.
Yeah. So here is always when you grab him, you can do it with 2 hands. Now he's allowing because he's seeing the water. So now he's allowing to see. Because once I come in front, okay, now touch my two fingers here and see that this tissue relax.
Okay.
See that this one is more thick.
Yes, it's thick and
Yeah,
also
this one,
stronger.
yeah, and here,
Very tense.
go here, yes. So the key is this, yes, yeah. Now it's straight.
Très bien. So 3 fingers.
Yeah, and now I teach you. Wait, you can do it also.
So what's the maximum height? It's here. I
Like
don't
that.
go.
No,
I don't go higher
no,
than
also like that.
Okay.
No, with this two.
Okay.
With this two.
Okay.
Give me this two. Slowly, and like that. Yeah, and then away from here. Yeah, but don't press. Just hold.
Okay.
Yeah, and stop. See, now he's right. Go the front.
Coucou mon chat. Coucou le chat.
Oui, c'est bien, on est là, regarde. Tout va bien.
And here, hold the hand like that.
Okay.
Ah, elle
Hold
est
the hand.
belle. t'as
Like a
vu.
little squish.
Okay.
Little squish.
Oh, mon chat.
Let him stand up. Let him stand up.
Vas-y, mets-toi debout, chérie. Victor, mets-toi debout.
Okay.
See the water.
And now it's better because I